and when you deliver say Bish name life, give your life. Life now be 80 something, 50 something, make life more close to life. Wow. And I enjoy it. I find it fun. I find joy. I love this that I'm doing. I love home, yeah. If God give me a platform, I will use it. The right path to follow. If more will be, she galapi yeni lapon at the pass. And when 100% boldness and authority, na this app, now everybody change your ways or remain here and be on transition. Because people that tested that part, a lot of them are no more. People that tested that past, a lot of them are not experiencing this freedom today. A lot of them are silenced forever. They cannot talk. I'm your average motivation speaker. I don't do that. You give encouragement. You can do it. If myself, I did it. As a 20 years old, most of you people have come of age now. Somebody did 20 years, a Weber Street. I grew up in the street. Emali yo mean it to me. Emala Emala every day, my mind is a battle, knowing the reality every day. Emali yenga biga psychologically, ema trauma nga biga. Do you know how I healed? Emi take imu. Emi my freedom cost omo, freedom lose imu your cost omo. It's a number somebody gabi something singing and well, life goes on. I don't say that thing. And I'm a everything, man, in your life is a lesson. There's a reason that it happened. And one of the reasons by when my experience is today. Today is the manifestation of that reason. This is the evidence of that reason. Ibule girl, if here, tell me he gamuta. I talk what I pamu. And we make a drum comic, and we make a comic. Somebody's just equal comedian in my CV. Where's your nature? You wouldn't mad. People are go confused already. Do you know that people want to define who you are, but it's not left for them to define who you are? You are the one that will define who you are. So today, I'm a gwaunu onyembo muwa ubishi. Coming from my past, and I want to leave a legacy. And everything in our 100% uncut, unmixed, unadulterated. Many people now, many people in this country, Israel as an example, mona help be benaka for one day. Kemal how cautious unde. Many people no go do no Buddha, mona have to be one-on-one. Kemal how cautious unde. Many people know Buddha, muna ha no balana noche for one day. Came on how cautious in there. I may live a different life, and I'm proud of it. A man live without my life. In a seek approval, I don't seek approval. We are so different. I can wake up in the morning and stay 7 years, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years without anybody. You cannot do it. Yes. You cannot live alone. A man not alone. A man boom alone. You cannot do it. I can go in our people on a phone. You cannot do it. You cannot remain silent. So I did different. I did different. Some million now, Imam Menwea. Some million now, why in Jango some million? Because I've seen it all. Somebody tell me, some beach in a lap we are in a MHA life in a jet, and I'll watch something more. Yeah, I can talk our youth may emulate from me, the moral side of me. Take my word, take the things I'm not going. Leave me, forget about me. You need to look like yamu. But I'm going to not page in it or matter. Use 1% of yen na gwage. And one that your age doesn't matter.